Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to change or how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the video mode. We can switch to the regular one, it doesn't really matter. All we need to do is to take a look at this option bar in this configuration on the left and in the regular configuration at the top, and tap on this settings icon. Here let's simply scroll all the way down and tap on restore defaults and tap on done to confirm. And we just automatically go back to the camera, and basically it means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.